Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Tiffany. I share cleaning, lifestyle, motivation, and shopping hauls. Today, I'm going to be cleaning out my fridge. My husband is out grocery shopping, so I'm going to take everything out, including the shelves, to clean them. Check the expiration dates and organize them a little better. It's easier to do this before a big grocery haul. Also, I would appreciate if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. At the end of this video, I added in a TikTok hack. Please stay tuned till the end of the video to see it.
Reaching for those words that sound pleasing, but I know that I will mess it up this time. Now that I've got your attention, the chance is mine, but I'm not badly paralyzed. I just can't improvise to make this right. Yes, I'm not badly paralyzed. I just can't improvise to make this right.
And I'm just giving everything a good wipe down, and I'm just using hot soapy water. And here you're going to see me playing around with the shelves a little bit. Once I started putting my stuff on, I noticed that my drinks wouldn't fit, so I had to keep adjusting them, but I eventually get them right. Then I'm going to check the expiration dates on the condiments. We go through them pretty regularly, so I believe I only had one that was about to expire.
But I know that I will mess up if I try. Now that I've got your attention, the chance is mine, but I'm not badly paralyzed. I just can't improvise to make this right. Yes, I'm not.
If you're looking for more motivation videos, please go check out my laundry motivation video. In what part of the house do you need the extra motivation? Laundry is definitely one of mine. Right now, I'm just going to go ahead and put everything back on the door after cleaning it. Then I'm going to go ahead and go on the inside and clear everything out and take the shelves out, clean them, and then put everything back on the inside. It's easier to break up the fridge into two sections, as in do the door, put everything back, then go to the inside, and then go ahead and clean that up and put everything back, and then you're done.
Took a bite and now I'm filled up. I don't know where you are tonight. Cause you're right, I've been starving and now I don't know what to do tonight. But I've been feeling like you're pretty easy to like. When your body is closer to mine, you got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind.
This is everything from my fridge, but when you're cleaning out your fridge, you might as well take out the shelf so you can clean them, because it gets so gross in there and you don't really know how gross it gets until you actually get it out and look at it. So you might as well take that extra step and get it all cleaned.
You feel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it? Spending every minute together. I found it quite hard, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You feel my fire, fire, fire. 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 You feel my fire. Let's keep this fire alive. Let's keep this fire alive. You start me up like no one has ever could. You feel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it? Spending every minute together. I found it quite hard, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You feel my fire, fire. Let's keep this fire alive. Fire. Let's keep this fire alive. Fire, fire. Fire, fire.
20 minutes in a moment for a lifetime. You were driving through the ocean inside of my head. I could tell it was your eyes that made the sun shine. And I could stay inside the moment until I was there. It's true, it's true, it's true what they say about you. Oh, it's true, it's true, it's true the things they say about you. That night my head was filled with thunder and every emotion. Could make an animal of anyone just being with you. And I was thinking maybe this is it, I'm no longer lonely. It's true, it's true, it's true what they say about you. It's true, it's true, it's true the things they say that you do. It's true, it's true, it's true, it's true what they say about you. It's true, it's true, it's true the things they say that you do.
I know we've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to stop.
Now I'm going to go ahead and take the time to clean the outside since I did the inside.
It breaks my heart. No text, no calls from you. Without you, could shake this off, but you're not that tough with me. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I'll make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good
Thank you for joining me in today's video. I hope I motivated you to get your fridge cleaned out. If you haven't already, please follow me on Instagram. The link will be in my description box. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned until the end for the TikTok hack. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. I saw this garbage bag hack on TikTok. Did you know that the bags come inside out? I sure didn't know that. But you can see the seams. So have you been putting the bags in the wrong way like me? Let me know down in the comments. I honestly think it just created more work for me, and my face got really close to the garbage, and I really didn't like that. So yeah, if you try this, let me know.
So run away with me. Come home with me.